Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Boxycharm time. Unfortunately, this one won't be a try-on style video. I obviously already have makeup on. It's Friday. I start early on Fridays, so I couldn't film this morning. But I do like to get these videos out to you guys as fast as I can. So I did want to just do a quick unboxing for you to show you what I got in this month's Boxy. So the theme this month is Boxycharm Stellar. This is the little card. So the first thing in the box is this. So this month everyone will be receiving something like this to help Boxycharm determine what our complexion products should be. They are going to start including some complexion products in our boxes. So we received this. So this is a pretty vulgar undercover lightweight concealer sample pack. So this is going to help us to determine what our complexion products should be. So you're going to make sure that you try this. If you receive Boxy, make sure that you try this. Go onto the website and there will be a questionnaire, I think, to fill out to say which of these worked best for you. For me, it's definitely going to be the lightest one, obviously. So make sure that you do that if you're subscribed to Boxycharm subscription box, and let's move on from there. I always like to go in the order that they're on the card. So the first thing on the card is Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette. I was so excited about this. This is valued at $35. I think this is a mini version of her Celestial Storm palette, and I believe that this is exclusive to Boxycharm. So these are the colors. So beautiful, so stunning. A lot of people were like, oh, another colorful palette, but if you cover up those two colors, it is a very neutral palette, so I think there's a little bit for everybody in that one. Very excited to try her eyeshadow formula. I really like her lip gloss formula, so really excited about that. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see a get ready with me using this anytime soon. I also got the Tati palette, so if you're interested in seeing a look with that as well, leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you guys want to see. So really excited about that palette. Beautiful. Love the packaging too. Oh, it really goes with the theme, you know? Okay, so the next item in the box, this was one that we got to choose. So there was a choice between a serum and this product here. I chose this. This is the Juice Beauty Anti-Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. This is valued at $50. I have tried some products from Juice Beauty in the past that I've received in Boxycharm, and I've really liked them. I know this is a cruelty-free brand, which I love, so I'm excited to give that a try. Juice Beauty generally has like really nice ingredients. Ooh, look at the applicator. That's so weird and different. That's gonna feel so fun on the eye. I can't wait to try that. Very exciting. So that will probably be, I have an eye cream on the go, but it's like really light and it's not super like rich in anti-aging ingredients. So I think I'll probably start using this one at nighttime and use the other one that I have at home during the day. So the next item in the box is Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the color Date Night. So this is valued at $18. I have several liquid lipsticks from Dose of Colors. I really like their formula. This is a red, so it's called Date Night. Ooh. Oh, it's a very deep, beautiful, almost blue-toned red, so that's really, really nice. That'll be a nice sort of winter red, which I love, as opposed to like an orangey one on my complexion is a little bit more for summer, so that's really beautiful. Their formula is really nice, very comfortable. It's a little bit dry, but it doesn't get like crusty like some of the other liquid lipsticks I've tried. Now, my next item in here is the Illuminati, is that what it's called? The Illuminati Cosmetic Sponge. So it's basically a beauty blender. This is valued at $21, traditionally shaped. It's like a pink color. This for me is like okay, I guess I got a sponge, because I really just prefer a brush for foundation myself personally. Sometimes I like a sponge when I'm working on clients, but then of course I just give it to them when we're done because I can't reuse it on anybody else. But I will give this a try. I was applying, I usually wear the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation. It's very lightweight, applies really well with a brush, but I did wear a different foundation yesterday and it went on really thick and cakey, so I think I'll try this sponge with that foundation and see if it shears out the coverage a little bit, makes it go on a little bit smoother. So I'll let you guys know about this in a future video. But it's an interesting thing to get in a box because sponges are not something that I buy, so it forces me to try something new. The last thing in the box is by Milk Makeup, and this is their Holographic Stick. So this is their best-selling holographic cream highlighter stick, packed with meteorite powder for a prismatic glow on cheeks, lips, and eyes. So this is valued at $28. So I got the color Supernova. I haven't used anything from Milk Makeup yet. They make a lot of really popular cream products. As an oily skin type, I'm always a little bit nervous to spend, you know, $30 on a cream bronzer or a cream highlight just to find out that maybe they don't work for me. So this is going to be great. It's a great way for me to try something like that. Ooh, can you guys see that? The lighting in here is terrible. We'll work with fluorescent lights. Anyways, that's really interesting. It's got a little bit of a purpley undertone. I mean, it's certainly not holographic. If anybody actually knows what holo is, that's not it. But it's definitely iridescent, which is really beautiful, and a really interesting color. So I am excited to receive this. It's definitely not something that I would have bought for myself, which for me is part of the fun of Boxycharm. I could spend, you know, $20 or $30 a month buying myself like one piece of makeup of something that I just need or want, or I can spend that same amount of money, get 5 things that might be a little bit different, that might force me out of my comfort zone to try something new. So I personally am pretty excited about this. It's a little funny though, because when I watched like the different spoilers and the different unboxings and stuff, like I didn't see these in anyone else's boxes, so I think that's kind of interesting. I seem to be getting like an odd variation the last couple of months. The last couple of boxes, what I've received have not been the boxes that I've seen, you know, on Instagram, on the Boxycharm YouTube channel. You know, it's kind of interesting where like I think I'm seeing all of the options and then I get my box and I still am surprised by what's in it. So let's do the math really quick, see what it adds up to. So the total is $152, so that is the total of the box for this month. For me, these 2 items really make the box worth it to me. The other ones are great and fun, but these are the ones I'm most excited to use and try. I'm also excited to try this out and do the little questionnaire and see what we're gonna get for complexion products in the future. I find that sort of interesting. I did not upgrade to Boxycharm Premium, in case anybody was wondering. I thought about it, I hummed and hawed about it, and I kind of sat down and looked at like the math of it, and I already do BoxyLuxe, which I love. I really look forward, if every month could be BoxyLuxe, I would probably do that. But I didn't want to give up BoxyLuxe, and in my mind, I either have to do regular Boxycharm and keep Luxe, or cancel Luxe and just do Boxycharm Premium. And I just was not willing to give up that like quarterly like big box that I get so excited about. So that was a decision that I made. Whether I'll change my mind in the future, who knows? But for now, I'm sticking with the standard Boxycharm. I'm happy with the items that I got this month. Let me know in the comments below what you got in your box, and did you upgrade to Boxycharm Premium? I'm very interested in what people are doing. Are people having good experiences with it? Of course, a lot of the YouTube videos that I've seen, people are happy with the premium, but a lot of those videos are sponsored by Boxycharm, so I'd love to know from the average consumer, if any of you have upgraded, what you think overall. Has it been worth it so far? And it's still early days, right? So anyways, that's it for me today. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see from me next. I do have some videos pre-filmed, trying to get ahead for the holidays. I still want to have lots of content out for you guys, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.